hold that. Get started here. Yeah, I know you're ready to come.
And that was a tree. I mean, we
you get, and then after you do have a good
you never measure it.
Dad, you want to put a bell on him?
No, I don't think we need it, Ben.
but it only weighs 5.
Yeah, that's gonna. If you've ever had one good one, any kind, I don't care.
Now, you know, grab something.
All boat hunters and stuff. You go with them with the good ones.
Yeah, flushing dog. That's about flushing dog. You got a good. Yeah.
All right. Okay. How's everybody want to walk?
My opinion.
You want me to go down in the
I'll go down in there with the dog.
While we hunt this little patch here, I'll stay up on the hill with Andrew. He probably wants to be up on the higher ground, doesn't he? Let's see if the dog should find a bird in here. We got plenty of guns. I ain't even gonna load yet. I've got some other confidence in the way you guys can shoot. Hopping like his feet are sore or something, isn't he, John Lewis? That's not a very easy practice.
Kind of, wrap this out over here. He didn't put any birds out here. Steam off. Here, walk with me. You walk in behind your dog, you're going to be going to live. Put a bird, put a bird, put a bird. Stay.
And that bird may run, y'all. I'd walk right. One, they ought to go right on two, shouldn't they?
Here, walk with me.
I see it on the ground running.
Here, put a bird. How far?
20 yards in front of you.
Bird's in here, dude.
Sees it too.
Yeah.
Dude, get on it.
Bird's in here, dude. Bird's in here. Point. Another bird's in here, guys. Dude. Dude. out, yeah.
Probably, yeah.
That guy's
There he is.
Don, get up here and shoot if you want to. They're making fun. I want them to make fun of somebody else, not just me. Dipper's gonna be our retriever today.
She got a little more. She got a little more spunk than the older two. Well, that one was.
Get him in there. Get him in there. Here, Pepper, come here. Here, get a bird. Dude, birds in here, flush them up. Birds in here, flush them up. Birds in here, flush them up. Come on, get them in here. Get them in here. There's a hen and a rooster. Two sets here. Dude, birds in here, fetch them up. Birds. Fetch it up here. And up here, fetch it up.
There's only one bird up here, wasn't there?
Birds in there, dude. Turn it up. Birds out there. Birds in there. Birds in here.
Steve, you want me to get in front so we won't run this way?
Yeah.
Or stay out of the way of the gun?
Everybody shoot high.
Alright. I'll get here so we can't run past you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Set. Run off. Go ahead and go in and kill it.
Y'all want me to try to push your way or what?
Yeah. come around and come by your dog.
Let him relocate if he wants to. You see it?
Yeah, I think a hawk or something got it.
Let him relocate if he wants to.
Okay.
Bird near, dude.
Dead pheasant. Dead pheasant. There may be another bird, but I'm looking at a pile of feathers here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Take that from him and just throw it in the pot.
You just kick that bird up wild?
Timber got it out.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. Now let's push this back down. Okay. With the wind in our favor.